Welcome to Premium RV Center inside a brand new 2027 R-Pod Unmapped 24RK. A super popular floor plan here at Premium RV Center, and certainly for R-Pod's expansion into larger 8-wide floor plans. So this was kind of the original floor plan they brought out for 2026, and right off the hop for us, certainly a lot of interest on it, and didn't last very long. And we're excited to finally have one back in. This is the 2027 slight update. So just released, and still with, again, all the kind of most popular features that customers have absolutely loved. Immediately when we come in the door of this particular unit, you're going to have all the kind of switches that you typically want to be able to access quickly. So things like our awning, our slide out room, we've got our awning light, porch lights, and interior lights, but also AC on a hot day like today. Again, nice to be able to quickly turn that on. So we do have connections here for our Bluetooth speakers, and then you do have 400 watts of standard solar here on the roof. So it's very prepped for that off-grid life right from the get-go, and it does allow you to kind of ease into it with the right batteries, and it's also inverter prepped as well. So a little screen here will kind of give you an indication of, on say a shaded day, kind of what's coming back to your batteries through solar, and also on an unshaded day. So you can kind of see that variance and how long it may take to charge. As we come into the main area, great little spot here if you want to set up a little charging area. So we do have USB and USB-C here as well. Plug-ins here with GFI as well. Just below that, we do have our carbon monoxide detector. So you've got a deep enough counter here. It can be used in many different ways. So again, you could set up a little hub here for charging. So on our side window here, which looks onto your campsite, which everybody absolutely loves, so you've got just amazing window coverage on your door side. So if you're sitting back here on the slide out, you're going to be able to see, pretty well, almost 360. So again, you've got great views out the side and back. So with this depth, but also your certainly depth in the counters as well, you could have coffee makers, espresso makers here in the morning. So I'm going to link a separate video we've done on their little pull-out table system, which is fantastic because it really does open up the layouts. And I can say for a lot of pet owners that are bringing their dogs, especially if they have more than one, this whole series with this setup really works well because you get so much space in here, especially as you first open up the slide when the table's tucked away. But if you want to have a 4-person dinette, that table will come all the way out. But it's also a really effective computer desk area too. So if you do want to be able to work from the road, it's a really well thought through. There's even a spot kind of for your feet. So we'll take you through it all. I've just kind of put it partially out here, kind of enough for 2 people. You could have just this section, this leaf that flips up and down. Could be a bit of a computer desk. But you have the depth here if you want to set up a full computer. If you needed it for work, you certainly could. You've got built-in entertainment just above that window. I should mention too, you do have a solar screen here, so if you want to be able to reflect the heat, obviously with the awning out, not going to be much of an issue, but in storage, or even at nighttime, if you don't want people seeing in, you can pull that down as well. So you've got a 12-volt TV here that's right across from a natural sitting spot, so if you want to watch movies or anything else, any other entertainment. Nice thing is, again, you could run off batteries and solars with the right batteries, and we can help you with that here and take you through different options depending on the length of time you may wish to be off grid. So we'll focus on that as well. So into the living area here, very, very popular setup here. You've got the removable tables. There is enough space to stash them under the bed, but you've got a very deep pantry that's bottom and top. You could also stash them in there. So much storage in this particular unit. That's the great thing. So they can be integrated when you wish. You've got the little flip up extension here in the middle, so a little drink holder. So if you want to put the popcorn between you, you can pop that out too. So again, very versatile. A lot of people will simply use these for kind of eating, especially with the little tables, and they may never set up the dinette. So it just depends on the kind of person that you are. The beauty with this whole Unmapped series is, if how you camp changes, the nice thing is the trailer can change with you without having to go and rebuy the trailer. So I think that is really appealing to people, and that's what's made it very, very popular throughout the whole lineup. So a couple chairs here, which do have a spot to latch to. So again, they can just be tucked in against the cabinet here. They'll latch in so they're not moving around on you. You've got some media kind of storage above, and then we get into the kitchen here, which just has a massive amount of storage. So we've got nice big drawers here. Again, lots of depth, so big pots and pans can be brought with you. You'll notice here we do have the built-in vacuum cleaner with the full accessory kit as well, so you can sweep into that, but we do have the full accessories that allow you to go front to back, quickly vacuum out everything up, especially if you have pets. You're definitely going to appreciate that. But if you are working in the kitchen, the nice thing is again, you can see all the way around you, and that is something that even in the average rear kitchen model, you don't tend to see. So especially if you're a fan of not necessarily running AC all the time, it is ducted here. So on a nice hot day like today, if you want to have all these windows open, you're going to get some great cross flow here. So pretty well all the windows you can open. So it does allow for, again, great dispersion of air. Have the little hooks here too. We got the natural wood finish to the top. You've got, once you finally get to campsite, you can kind of hang up some mugs and kind of really make it feel like home. You've got a great little charging spot here in the corner too. Again, USB, USB-C, plug-in tower for any of your little appliances. We do have two big drawers here. Again, those can be kind of great for frying pans. We've got our furnace just located below there for easy access. And then we do have our 3-burner stove. Top glass portion will flip back, but you actually have a cutting board here that can act as a backsplash too. That will drop into your sink if you want even more counter space. And again, it's going to give you a full 8 feet across the back here. You've got another power tower here in this corner. So again, you've got a lot of different spots here that you can keep, again, some favorite appliances, or if you're someone who's a baker, you know, if you want to be able to kind of make some biscuits or things like that, and then just so use the microwave here, which is a convection microwave. So there's just various options. We don't tend to use an oven a whole lot at home, but we will use a very large toaster oven. And in this particular unit, that would fit beautifully in the corner. You could make, again, a nice little, you know, morning biscuit spot here, or muffins, you know, those kinds of things. So it just gives you the room. So definitely a unit that you could spend, you know, many, many months in and be quite comfortable. And no matter what scenery you have, you'll be able to take advantage of. So you do have a range hood here as well. So you do have a fan. Do a good job to get anything out. Also an air fryer here, so I should mention as well. Again, even more big storage for those pots and pans there. So just a wonderful amount of storage and counter space. And again, very flexible dining. Something that can also work well so that you can work on the road, so that hopefully you can spend more time on the road. Huge fridge here. So we do have the 12-volt fridge here. Big Furrion 10 cubic foot fridge with freezer. And then a pantry that goes back 3 feet here. So you'll have the same thing on the bottom. So I mentioned you could store, again, some of those tables in there should you wish as well. I should mention this unit comes in at 5,933 pounds, so it's under 6,000 pounds. So very towable by a lot of SUVs and trucks as well. Doesn't even have to be necessarily full size now with some of the capacities of the trucks out there. And it'll be under 29 feet tip to tail. So you're going to fit into, you know, any campground that you might want. You will have a site for it, which is great. We enter the big bathroom here. What's nice when you're using that full 8 feet of width, you do get a tremendous amount of storage. So we do have a lot of storage here, so you can keep, again, a lot of the towels and amenities and everything else here nicely tucked away behind. A couple drawers for either one of you. More storage down below. Great spot for maybe that first aid kit. Again, you can keep all the basics out. Nice backlit mirror here as well. Easy access to the sink when you want to just wash up when you're coming in. Outlets there. And then a massive shower here, so more than 33 inches wide. So again, if you're somebody who's wide in the shoulders, you're going to appreciate that. You have a real 4-speed out fan here, so you can really take that condensation out when you are using it. And being right off the bedroom, it's kind of that nice ensuite, especially if you tend not to have guests. You'll love that. Got a spot here where, again, you can hang some towels or bathrobes, things like that. Again, lots of room around your porcelain toilet here. Skylight as well, so if you're a taller, you'll appreciate that. And then ducting right through the coach here. USB lighting throughout as well. Like the mildew resistant screen here. And then all the controls we typically need for things like hot water are going to be in the bathroom. So we've got our Suburban on-demand hot water tank here, so quickly heats up that water for you. Basic light switches. We've got the command switch for that hot water tank, and then our water pump, which we may be using on the road if we want to wash up. And then we've got, again, our tank monitors here. We can see how full the tanks are. The nice thing with the R-Pod Unmapped series is it's fully ducted, and then the tanks are enclosed, so you've got heat that comes around those tanks. But if you're concerned at all, if it's dipping below zero, you can get into turning on tank heaters. So you do have tank heaters here standard as well. So very high level of standard features throughout the R-Pod series, but also the Unmapped series here. So that has continued. Massive windows here, so oversized windows that typically you don't see in bedrooms, so it really lets in a lot of natural light when you want it. Huge windshield in the front, so again, bringing in just a ton of light, making the coach feel much longer than 29 feet. Or 2811. And then you've got your extra door here. So on the road, everything is accessible between the two doors. So you can get to the bathroom and the bedroom on the road through that door, and then you can access the back to put the groceries away when you're traveling through the main door there at the back. You've got oversized beds here. So we've got a custom king mattress. So again, if you want something a little wider than a queen, the whole Unmapped series is going to offer that to you. You've got spots for CPAP machines here at the front, or just, again, a book collection, glass of water at night. You're going to have hanging storage here. Each individual will have a drawer, and then you have USB as well as 120 volt on either side of the bed, and then wonderful storage under the bed. So you've got 4 drawers. They're fairly short drawers, but certainly very useful. And then behind that, you have storage for some of the chairs that we have outside, some of the stools, and you certainly could put those extensions for the couch in there as well. Again, everything held up by pistons. So very, very high level of features here, very high level of usability. Love the fact that they put in some great baskets that actually fit, so you don't have to go hunting for them. They're already here. So again, really nothing to add here, which I love. You do have an extra vent on the roof as well, so that certainly could be covered with a vent cover. Again, if you're a fan of a lot of natural airflow and not necessarily the air conditioning, you'll appreciate that. Let's take you outside, highlight some of the amenities out here aside, which you do have many here. That's the wonderful thing about the whole series. You're getting that inside and outside functionality. Take you around the front here. See that beautiful windshield here. So we've got power tongue jack here standard on the front, two 20-pound tanks, room for multiple batteries. And then we do have that battery cutoff switch, so that 400 watts of solar will continue to charge those batteries when you have that switched off, so that when you come back, you know that everything is charged and ready to go, and you kind of don't have to bring it home to be able to charge it up. Little change for 2027, nothing big, but they did add a great little bin here for each model so that you can quite easily tuck away all the essentials they give you. Give it a little spot here, so it cleans up your storage area, which I liked. Again, kind of those listening to their customers. So you do have some USB charging, USB-C as well outside. You've got on-off switch for your front light and then a motion sensor light. You'll see that aluminum framing that's throughout the walls and floor and throughout the coach. And then behind our fiberglass here, we're going to have Asdel composite, so something that is basically impervious to water. It's not going to be absorbed by water. You're not going to have the walls being pulled apart should you miss on the maintenance side. That is something we do spend a couple hours with you going through. One, how it works, but the big side is how to maintain it yourself. And if you're just not up to it, at least you know what has to be done, when it should be done, and that we can also do it for you if needed. Huge awning here, great 20-foot awning. So again, you're going to live outside. This awning's going to come out a full 8 feet. It's well lit all the way along here. So you can really set up, again, furniture outside. You've got cooking out here already built in. We'll notice there's 2 sets of stairs here. They both sets of stairs have the more ride steps, so an upgrade on a lot of models out there. You've got the anchoring to the ground, so you're not going to feel the trailer moving as people are going in and out. And even if the ground is uneven, you're going to be able to even it out. We've got great Goodyear tires here, so nice long warranty with those as well. And then we've got our setup out here, which is just a wonderful kind of little coffee bar setup. It can be used in a multitude of ways. I've certainly had customers that are working outside under the awning if they have to do a bit of work. So again, they don't have to be stuck inside. But it's really an extension of your kitchen here, so it can be a great little prep area too. You can just use it in so many ways, and they really thought it through. So they give you, again, quite a bit of storage here. You got about a foot and a half. So if you do want to keep a small coffee maker in here, small drink makers, maybe a little blender, you can do that. There's power as well as USB-C there. There's lighting. This is all backlit as well. This could be a great spot for all your favorite seasonings and sauces once you're in camp, and especially if you're doing, again, a lot of outside cooking. And again, that window flips up, so it allows in that breeze. You can keep that open if you're not running air. So again, it's a lot of versatility here. Something they've added for this 2027 model year is the option to be able to move your television from inside to outside. So if you are somebody who, gets involved with sports teams, or you like doing some fall camping as the football season opens up, or baseball playoffs, and you want to be able to watch that favorite team, whether it be hockey, baseball, or whatever your passion is when it comes to sports. The nice thing is, you can kind of do that outside, or if your kind of dream at some point is to do a little bit of tailgating for your favorite team, this is a wonderful coach to do that in, because you can do so much inside and out. Whether if the weather changes, no problem. Ton of room inside. You can invite lots of people in because that dinette doesn't interfere. You can even bring the stools in. So everything you see here comes with this coach standard. So you've got outside speakers as well that are, again, all connected to Bluetooth. We do have our griddle. We can flip-flop kind of where things are too on their outside cooking rail system. You may want to actually put your shelf here because you do have hot and cold water here, so you can set up a little wash station for your dishes. You do have a plug-in as well. We've got it out for cable and satellite. The input's going to be on the back side. As we come around the back, absolutely love they continued the R-Pod tradition of having a hitch off the back here. So we do have a unit that's ready to take some e-bikes if that's something you're going to add in the future, or just your traditional bikes right now. We've got a preset up here for our backup camera should you want to add one at some point. You do have spare tire conveniently located on the back. 30 amp service on this particular coach. You could option in 50 amp if you wanted a second AC. In our part of the world, we just don't need that, which is nice. We do have our cable and satellite input here. Our slide here that'll come out about 3.5 feet. And as we head forward here, I'm going to get into some of the appliances. So you have easy access to our gate valves. They are nice and high, so no worries that you're going to hit anything in or out of the campground. We do have a block tank flush. If you've got sewer on site or fresh water at the dump station, you can cycle some fresh water through that tank. It'll spray down the sensors, so hopefully have them reading more accurately. All the tires, I should mention as well, you do have a TPMS system that's standard. The controls were just inside there in a little box. We've got our city water inlet if you've got water on site, and then we've got our pour in fill here if you're just going to fill up when you get there. Easy access to our on-demand hot water tank when it comes to winterization, and then access to storage from this side. Apologies, didn't bring the key. A little smaller access, but nice thing is you've got access from both sides, and we come around front. All magnetic latches too for those doors, so you can those compartment doors, so you can keep them up and make sure that you're not going to take one in the head, which is great. We invite you out to Primo RV Center to come have a closer look at this absolutely stunning and so versatile 24 Unk in our R-Pod's Unmapped series.